last episode, we worked on the category screen. And as you can see, we already have some categories here. We've got a color picker. So let's pick this color, for example. We can create a new category name. What do we got? We got bills, subscriptions, takeout, hobbies. I don't know. Let's do like house expenses, right? Can we do this? Okay, we need to fix that, but then clicking on the submit button will actually add the, our new category here. So that's cool. This is pretty much everything that we need. We are lacking one more issue though. We need to work on that, and that is like the swipe. The swipe to swipe actions, basically. Like in your email app, you can like swipe on an email to archive it or delete it, etc. So we want to do that here on these categories. And also, Air Hogan, one of the viewers here in this channel, sent me a link that fixes, with a solution that fixes this part right here, because we still see Gerald, Scotland, back in my day, we had to write all out our data types and we liked it. Yeah. Yeah, Kotlin is actually pretty cool though. I like it. And I'm not sure about I'm not sure where data class as a concept is present in like different programming languages. As as a concept, I've met it first here in Kotlin, so it's pretty cool to see that. Yeah. But yeah, structs, yeah, pretty much, actually, yeah. And that's it. Yeah, we're gonna fix the bottom, bottom bar, because we don't want to show a bottom bar because we are like one level deeper into the navigation, right? We went to the settings screen, but then from the settings screen, we go one more level into it. So the solution was something like this. We should open our, what was it? Android test, goodbye money. There we go. Our main activity, right? And we have our backstack entry here, and we have our bottom bar. So here's the thing. We should make, actually, let me open up the link. I think it's going to be better. We should make like a little switch here. If the backstack entry, basically the destination route contains the routes of categories, we should return false. Otherwise, we can return true. And we can use that variable, that value there. Hey, there we go. We can use that value to actually, hold on, let me just clean it up. Okay, we can use this show bottom bar value, as you can see here. We have, if it's like the route of screen A or B, return false, otherwise return true, right? We can use this to actually, if there's a bottom bar, cool, render it, right? So let's try this out. The backstack entry contains the destination and routes, and we already know that, right? We are using it here, and we're using the value here. And what was the shortcut? If we use by, we don't actually need to use the value, something like that. Nav controller current backstack entry as state. There we go. So we can get rid of the value here, right? But this is gonna be the optional thing. And we can also do that here. We've got 3 more occurrences. There we go. Okay. I'm not aware of the like other differences that, or like other effects that the by keyword here introduces. For now, everything that I know is just a way to avoid the dot value. But yeah, we got the backstack entry here, and here's our routes. So we should create a value, show bottom bar, and it's a state variable. So you can go here, show bottom bar equals remember savable. Yeah, by remember savable. Okay, I need to get used to the syntax. By remember savable, and then we got like mutable state of true, which is like the default value, the initial value. Mutable state of, and we can say true to basically always render this. But show bottom bar, and we should probably use a var in this case, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, because we are going to change it. Equals to when, and we can paste the routes. And this is basically a switch, right? With a few cases. So if the case is going to be settings / categories, we want to render, but we want to return false. Else we want to return true. Okay, cool. So we can grab this and actually render it. So bottom bar, if the bottom bar, show bottom bar is true, then we can like render it. And here's what we have. We can just plug it here. Show bottom bar. And we can just close it up. Format it. Done. Let's see. Mutable state. Yeah. We need to import, and I believe I have one unneeded now because... Oh no, actually it cleaned up. Cool. Okay, so let's give this a go. Because technically, now when we go to the categories screen, the show bottom bar will be false. So the bottom bar will not be rendered. And that's exactly what we want. So we got the bottom bar in the expenses, reports, add, and settings. But in categories, there we go. In categories, it's gone. Right? And that's exactly what we want. So now we have more space for the list, for the categories lists. Than before, right? Because we had the bottom bar and then we had the creation, like category creation bar at the bottom. So we could see like 4 categories at most. But now we got more real estate, and it's always good, right? Clicking back, there we go. We can still see the bottom bar. Sweet. Okay, let's look into swipe actions. I haven't done the research, so you know, we'll just go for it and see what we can find. Okay. Jetpack compose list swipe actions. Yep, swipe to reveal maybe. There's also gestures. Maybe we can implement something custom. Because the point with gestures is that we can like hook up a custom. Hey Kalian, how's it going? But the point with gestures is, and this is just like based on my experience with other frameworks and what I would expect the gestures API to be, is to like allow us to hook up a certain gesture listener on a certain elements. So for example, we can hook up drag gesture listener on all of our, you know, list items in the categories. And whenever the drag value changes, it will let us know. Then we can like do something with that value. So when we start like dragging to the left, I don't know, negative, because going to the left is like negative. So negative 10 pixels or like 20 pixels and 30 pixels. We can use that value to actually move the list row a bit and reveal the action that's like, you know, just below the list item. If there's like an easier way, great, we'll just use that. If not, I guess we'll have to do this. Let's see, what do we got? We got some scrolling stuff here. You can do some pretty cool thing. All right, there we go. Swipeable modifier. It's to drag elements which, when released, animate towards typically 2 or more anchor points. Beautiful. That's exactly what we want. right? So we've got the box here, and we can add the swipeable modifier. Hold on, let me zoom in so you can see. There we go. We've got the box. We have the swipeable modifier attached to the box, right? And then we got some values. We got the swipeable states, which is probably, I don't know, some values like idle or dragging or something like that. We got the anchors here, and the anchors, it's probably like an array of values where we want to stop, right? We got the orientation, which is horizontal, left or right, and we got the fractional threshold. I have no idea what this is, but that's basically it, right? And then inside, we have another box which is going to use the values, right? So for example, we got the offset modifier here. There we go. So from the state, we got the offset value round to integer or 0 in case, you know, that's like I guess this is like a fallback value, probably. There's a size, but the size doesn't actually, yeah, it's like a fixed one, 48 density pixels and a background. And that's about it, yeah. There we go. You got a switch. Cool. So let's see if there's like a ready-made solution, or maybe some of the components support that out of the box, right? But ultimately, I guess that's how even, you know, that's how it would work even under the hood. Okay, combination of swipe to dismiss and animated visibility components. So there we go. There is a different component, swipe to dismiss, a composable that can be dismissed by swiping left or right. Alright, cool. And we got the animated visibility. It's a composable. This composable animates the appearance and disappearance. Did you search for a package? Maybe it will be easier. Yeah, I mean, there's definitely a package, you know. It's probably someone will come up with the idea, you know, like, hey, I'm gonna publish a package that implements the, you know, actions. But we'll see. This person here pretty much has it working. See that? Okay. Alright, so we got a view model that has the cards, which are the revealed ones. Alright. Fake data on item expanded. Card screen composable. Okay, so we got a lazy column. We render a box for all of the cards, and we have the action row and draggable cards. Cool. So the action row is gonna be the, you know, the row that's going to hold all of the actions, all of the buttons. That part right there. And the draggable card is the actual card on top of it. Okay. Let's see. This is the draggable card. There's the offset value. There's the transition state. What do we got? We got pointer in detect horizontal drag gestures. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Although this looks a bit more complicated than this. Right? This only like marks it as a swipeable and that's it. But in this case, it's something else. Okay. I think I want to try the official one. You know, this one with the swipeable. I believe it's gonna be, I don't know, easier without any packages. We just want to show a few, you know, just want to show a few actions below the. Let's see. Let's try to figure it out. Okay. Let's see, what do we got? Categories view model, category screen, and inside we have the table row. Okay, so the table row is basically that row or the list item. That's what we're after. We could refactor the table row and like make it swipeable, right? Like we can make it swipeable by providing or if we provide like an array of actions. Yeah, if we provide an array of actions, it has to be swipeable, right? If the row doesn't have it doesn't have like any actions, why would it be swipeable? So let's actually do that, right? Let's actually do that, and if that list is like has any elements, then we'll append the swipeable. Yeah, then we'll append the swipeable modifier. And we're gonna play with the anchors, with the thresholds. It's always gonna be horizontal, definitely, and state is just a state here. Yeah, let's check this out, and we'll just like log out some of the values, like what's the current offset, what are we looking at when we like try to swipe left or right, etc. Cool. All right, let's go here, and I'm not gonna like add the actions just yet. I'm just gonna try to play with the swipeable modifier. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab all of these. I'm gonna place them here. Oh, no. Remember swipeable state. Okay, that's interesting. Remember swipeable state. Why don't we have this? It's the experimental, so we should probably add. No? Okay, that's interesting. Local density. Import this. Square size. Yeah, square size was like the size px. What is that? Let's see. Size px. Okay, it's the anchors. All right. Let's just like do, I don't know. Let's do 80 density pixels, okay? Just to see what happens. But then we got this remember swipeable state. And we don't have that. Let's see. Is there like a package I need to include? This is like Android compose material. Android X compose material 3. Okay. Is this like from the old material? No. Android X compose just material. Let's just do material. No. Okay. Let's figure it out. Okay. Jetpack compose material 3 gestures. What Google should do is like have a version instead of like English, and I totally respect internationalization. We should be able to like, because we're talking about Android X, and this is not Android X, right? This is the material, or maybe it is Android X. I don't know. But it's not the latest like material 3 package, right? We're using that one. And now, because of the versions, we don't have that. Okay. Gestures. Seriously. Remember swipeable state. Why? Remember swipe not found? What should I Google? Yeah, unresolved reference. Not trawable. No, it's material. Okay. Forking swipeable if you know. Oh, no. You can use material to compose swipeable and fork it. No, that is not cool. I was pretty hyped that we would be able to actually use it, but no, it's material 3. Oh, come on, guys. I'm heartbroken. I really wanted to use that. Okay. What can you do? Pointer input, detect horizontal drag gestures. Okay, I guess we can do that. Let's see. Let's like make sure first. Pointer input. Alright, so this one is, as you can see, deprecated. So we got some other pointer inputs. Okay. Here's the pointer inputs. And inside we can do a detect horizontal drag gestures. Detect horizontal drag gestures. Beautiful. We got the change and drag amount. Yeah. Okay. And we have some values here. We got the offset X. We have the transition states. Is revealed or not. Okay. Sorry, but we have to remove this. And let's see what do we miss now. Is revealed is like a... Yeah. Oh, we'll see about that. Probably this one. Yeah. Got the card offset. Why do we need this? Yeah, this puts a lot of unneeded... Here, Hogan, how's it going? Have you already looked at swipe to dismiss? I think we did. It's like a component, right? But it's like material 2. We found an interesting solution, which is only material 2, not the material 3. Delete. Let's check out the swipe to delete. How does this fellow handle swipes. Lazy column, swipe to dismiss. There we go. States, direction, dismiss threshold. Yeah. Swipe to dismiss. And let's see, what do we got inside? We have the background. And then dismiss content. So I guess the dismiss content would be the actual table row. But this thing right here, the background is that. All right, you know what? We are not, yeah, we're not going to do anything here. Would have been cool, but yeah, we're not gonna do anything here. We're gonna do that here because we already have the table row, and that's going to be the actual, you know, dismiss content of the swipe to dismiss. Okay, let's do it. So swipe to dismiss. Guys, what are we missing? Here we go. Compose UI. Material 3 is here. What else do we need? What else do we need? And this thing, yeah, remember swipe to dismiss box that it's not, you know, it's not available. Like, we can't find it. Wearable only? No. Why would you do that? What? We do swipe to dismiss on phones as well. No way. Building UI with compose, but it is under the wearables. Yeah. Let's see. See if, no, I mean, there is like a phone demo. Oh man, that is, all right. You know, I have a different approach in mind, and you know, that would be like have edit button here that's going to append like a trash can icon for to each of them, and then we click on them, etc., etc. By the way, yeah, we implemented your suggestion and we got rid of the bottom bar. See, there's the bottom bar, but if we click on the categories, it's gone. So thanks for that. And yeah, the edit button, maybe we should do that. But this is like super cool, you know, it's also per design. Like, I designed it to be like this, and this guy actually achieved it. So there has to be a way. I'm not sure what he does though. Like, how does he actually use the swipe to dismiss? I didn't nuke it. No, because we're gonna have an issue for the report screen, right? I mean, it's fine here, but in the report screen, we're gonna have an action here, and I need to like figure out how I can pass the action to the main activity, and then whenever something changes, I need to like get it back. So that's why I didn't, you know, do it the same way as the bottom navigation. Oh, you mean like have separate Jetpack components, right? Okay, but yeah, when I add the action, we've got the method, right? And when we click on that and we select the damn it, the recurrence mode, right? And we need to let the report screen know that the recurrence mode has changed. That's the thing. Yeah, I guess like it could make sense. It could work. Experimental material API. All right, you know what? I'm gonna slap this here. Where are we? We do already have the experimental. There's a, you want another one? No, it's not working out. It's a different, it is a different thing. Yeah. Or maybe this is like an old article when, actually no, it's like, well, yes, it's a year. It's a year old article. Oh, come on. Swipe to dismiss. Oh yeah, a year in Android is old. Yeah, that's like, let's do this. Like, let's achieve this, you know? Okay, swipe actions, configuration, threshold icon, all these things, swipe to dismiss. Guys, how do you import that? Like, it's not part of any of the packages. Yeah. Right? Android X compose material. Well, that's it. You know, it's the ordinary material. It's not the materials 3. It's material 2. I guess the swipe to dismiss doesn't work in material 3, or it's not yet ported. We know that there was like a list, right, of components. Version 1.1. All right, so we already got that, right? Swipe to dismiss is added in this version 1.1, and I don't know, let's see, maybe we need to like bump it up. Yeah, it's 101, but we already got 1.1 alpha 4. We gotta get on the alpha, you know? Yeah, material 3 alpha 4. Let's actually do that. Oh, it's gonna be interesting. Alpha versions. Window size class alpha 4. We don't care about the window size. Do we have that window size? We don't have that. Cool. All right, let's see how many things are gonna break now. Okay, that's good to know. Alpha versions are fine for things like material design, not as uncommon in Android as it's in other frameworks or tech stacks. Yeah, check out the web dev world. Alpha means it's just like unusable, but it's still out there. There we go. We got the swipe to dismiss. All right, people, let's get to work. Let's get to work. I like this way, by the way. Like, if you know, start dragging left and like release, it's gonna go back to like that point. But if you continue after a certain point, then you're actually, you know, performing the action. I like that. And the advice, how far a swipe gesture has to travel before triggering an action. Yeah, the default composable already provided, but this is their threshold, right? It's not the other one. Where's the documentation? Swipe to dismiss. No. Wait, hold on. We were looking at this. Okay, it's not really. Okay, where is it? See, you know, we should be looking at like a link that's under the developer.android.com website, right, on the doc site, that's especially for swipe to dismiss. But we can't find that. And it's not cool. Inside Android Studio, yeah. Yeah, all right. I mean, it's not really, you know, the best one because it's just like comments, but yeah. Composable that can be dismissed by swiping left or right. State is the state of the dismiss state, all right. We got the initial value, confirm value change. Oh no, those are like parameters, all right. Then we got the background, the composable that is stacked behind the content and is exposed when the content is swiped. You can or should use the state to have different backgrounds on each side. Cool. Dismiss the content that can be dismissed. That is our table row basically. Modifiers. Put a modifier. And directions. The set of directions in which the component can be dismissed. Cool. Let's start with that, you know. Let's start with that. And we had the dismiss state, right? And there was the, let's see, swipeable dismiss, or just like swipeable state. Let's do swipeable states. Remember swipe, come on, what was the remember? Remember the 5th of November. Dismiss state. Okay. Remember dismiss states. Cool. Alright, and inside we got some confirm value, initial value, and positional thresholds. Okay, initial value. Default, I guess, I don't know. Confirm value change. What else? And the positional threshold. Hold on. That's the default one. By default is true, and then we have the positional threshold. And this one also has like a, so we can like even do this and we'll be fine. We should be fine, right? Okay, maybe it's the buy. There we go. All right, so yeah. Where are we now? Here we are, right? So we want to provide this state. We've got the background, and that is like our actions. We've got the dismiss content. Let's add the dismiss content. Okay. And we'll just grab all of this. There's the dismiss content. And we also need the background. Cool. We'll figure that out, okay? So, all of our configurations are gonna be here, if I'm not wrong, right? Oh, directions. We got directions. There's like a set of dismiss directions. End to start, start to end. We wanna do end to starts? Yeah, probably. Set of end to start. And end to start is... it's an enum class. Alright, it's an enum class. Let's actually go and provide that as well. Directions. Cool. Here, you know what? I'm gonna just add a text. And I'm gonna say what up. And let's see. Let's see. I'm back. I was eating dinner. How much progress did you do? Yeah, we figured out that we need to be on the 110 version of Material 3 Alpha 4, more specifically, in order to have access to the swipe to dismiss component, because it's introduced into the latest alpha. All right, let's see. We got the what up here. Can we do it? Yeah, we can. And they're gone. Okay. I mean, why does it only move? Hold on, let's see. Ah, there we go. You see that background elevate? Yeah. I should probably move that to the table row itself. Yeah, we want that. Or hold on. Or no. We actually do want it there. Like we can keep it in the lazy column. Because we also have the, you know, the, where is it? There we go, the divider. And if we don't actually set it, the divider is gonna be like the dark black, you know, it's gonna be black behind it. So we need the background to remain on the lazy column, but we also want to add it there on the actual table row. We got the modifier, right? And let's see the modifier. We're using the modifier on the row itself, so that's good. Modifier dot background. Oh, I've also copied it. Okay. And I'm thinking about why would the, where is it? The dismissible, the background is actually there. Maybe I should, yeah, here we go. But we should not let, you know, we shouldn't let that be dismissible. Also, hey, what is that? Not cool. Not cool. Have you did you like check out the, oh man, that is so uncool. You're working fine. Why did you break? Oh, you know what? This is the alpha probably. Yeah, it's the alpha. We need to find a better fix. It is, yeah. It's not the modifier. Okay. All right. Let's see. Yeah, all of them are basically broken. So we're talking about the, where is it? We're talking about the, it's actually not the table row. It's actually the inputs. The unstyled text inputs. There's the row. There's the arrangement. What if we like fill the max height as well? Damn it. Not really. All right, I'm gonna say 44 dp just to see. Still at the top. Add screen. Table row. Let's look at the first one, amount. There we go. There's the value. Modifier. Arrangement is at the end. Okay. It is at the end, but this, let's see. This row right here. All right, it's lacking of the vertical. So let's actually do vertical arrangement. I'm just gonna set this to center vertically and I'll go with the flow and see if that fixes it, you know? It actually doesn't fix it. Would you look at that? Mm-hmm. And if I do fill max height, then it's gonna break. But it's fixed now, you see that? What if I like... No. Wow. It's terrible. Let's see. How tall is it? It's not as tall, you see that? So we need to find a way to... Why should we do like a weight 1? Row scope. Row scope. Alright, columns go. Yeah. But why do we get like, why do we get this now? Can we set the weight of this row? I mean, of course, we don't know the parent of the row. We don't know if it's like a flex box or not, right? Not cool. This is so not cool. Is there like an align self? A way that we can align this item specifically in the vertical center of whatever, you know, the parent is? Is there like a way to do that? Jetpack compose, align self center. Yeah, I know horizontal and vertical, but that's not exactly what we're looking for. You can use text align is it, and I'll modify aligning text box inside column. But this is, I believe this is a box, right? All right, let's see actually, because I think we are in the box scope. Align. Alignment equals center vertically. Yeah, I don't understand this. Like, give me the box scope one. Yeah. You know what? Yeah, this is bad DX. Yeah, it's like I'm getting into a loop of like trying to import the function, but then it's like, yeah, you gotta import it, and I'm importing it. And then there's like, yeah, but you gotta import it, so We can't center this. We don't use a column in this case, right? I have no idea what we use outside of the, like, what is the parent of this row, but is there like a way to, let me see. Is there like a way to say, I want to be centered regardless? But yeah, it's a decoration box, as you can see. There's a placeholder. Okay, let's see. Let's see, where is the placeholder? There's the placeholder. We use it here. It's a box. We go into a decoration. And that's basically the content here. Alright, now I'm lost. Decoration box, placeholder. It is a box, and then we have the decoration, which gets the content from content equals placeholder. Yeah. This is the content. It's a local provider. I don't know what this is, basically. But yeah, got some providers going on. There's the content inside, the actual placeholder. So the parent is it's not really the provider, because this is not really like a component, like it seems to me. And then the parent of the decoration is actually a box. So we are in a box scope, not directly. We are, like, the parent of this row is a box. Okay. I don't want to fix any height or stuff like that. I don't have access to that. I don't have access to that box. Yeah, probably there is no way. Probably there is no way. Should I do a column? But I don't think it's gonna make any difference. Come on now, where was it? Don't lose hope yet. Sending you a link. All right. I always mix the vertical arrangement. Arrangement dot vertical. Arrangement dot center. Probably. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Basic text field alignment in Jetpack Compose. We got the row, we got the text field, but yeah, we got the text. Now the issue is only with the textile local text. Oh, you mean like this way? Because we didn't do it that way. Right? I mean, let's see. Here's the text field. Wait, what is... It actually works this way, right? But no. Because we're losing the... Like, check it out. It's all cut up in half. The hell? Why do I keep closing Discord? Yeah, this doesn't work actually. Okay, we got the row, we got the text field inside. Here's a picture. Yeah, it's at the top. First is simpler. If basic text field does not necessarily need to have a height of 40. Yeah, that's the point. The row component will be responsible, so that's what I like. Yeah. So it's the text style of the text field. Let's check it out. So I'm just gonna ditch this. Just gonna ditch this. Get the row back. Get rid of the red background. Format. Reload. So we go back now. Actually. And we render the basic text field, right? Okay. So in this case, let's render that row around the text field. And I'm going to move the modifier. I'm gonna move the modifier to the row, because we probably want to use. Oh man, you got the vertical. Oh damn it. Okay. There's a text style as well. Merge the text style. Color equals text color, but then we also have like a text align is center. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna add a new row, and I'm gonna try to add a modifier here with the height of like, I don't know, 40 dp. And inside of the unstyled text field, we have the basic text field, right? But we have like a merged text style, which adds the text align of center. So we got this. And we need to provide this to the row as well. Center vertical, center vertical. I mean, we don't want to center the horizontal alignment, right? So we just want, and we already take care of the horizontal one. I guess vertical alignment is wow, this is terrible. All right. Oh man, whoa, hold on. No, actually, here's the divider. And then we got the table row. And where is the actual row? Oh, there we go. Vertical arrangement. It's just the alignment. Vertical alignment, horizontal arrangements. Okay, but then like check out the, yeah. So when it's focused, it's okay. When it's not focused, that's when it's, you know, it's having issues. But now we have an issue with this, you know. We have an issue. What if I was like, we're gonna do this in a 30 density pixels? In that case, yeah. So the height was actually the issue. Okay. Let's see. Let's check out the, like, forget the textile merged one and everything. No, it's not that actually. So we got the height and we got the alignment. This one has the text style, text align center, and that's it. And what about this? This has a row and also has a box, and the box controls the heights. There's a content alignment, and then we got the basic text fields. But is this like a text align? I don't need the actual text align, right? I don't want to have it centered. I want to center it but vertically, and the text align is probably like a horizontal alignment, like a, you know. Changing the row height will center the text. That is crazy. There's a row, but we do change it. It's not being centered. And we also have the vertical alignment. It's also not being centered. There's a fill max width for the placeholder. And this one doesn't really work. What if we like just place the placeholder inside? But we're gonna like, yeah, we'll lose the actual arrangement. Yeah, now it's gonna be like on the left side. Actually, it's, yeah, it is. Like, check it out. Yeah. So we're controlling the arrangement from the outside, but this one is like always center. So we need the row. We need this row. What if I do fill max height now, because we have a row outside that controls the, you know, the height, so it's not gonna go more than that. And it looks like it's center, but we have, no, it's not. We have the amount set to 30. Nothing's happening anyway. Oh man, this is not cool. Like, I was in web dev before I went to mobile, and we're still talking about centering things. We're still the centering things is like still a challenge. Yeah, we have to re-architect this screen. But this should be possible, you know. It has to be possible. It's like I'm using the text field decoration box. Why just I don't know. I should just, damn it, I don't know. Like, if I create my own decoration box, we can have, yeah, we can have everything But it's gonna be a totally custom component from scratch. I don't know if I want to do that. You know, that's why we're using the text field default decoration box. Okay, so yeah, the alpha gave us the, you know, the swipe, but it took away our ability to vertically center things. So it's always like a compromise in life. Yeah, we can get that message out of this. And that only happens if, you know, if it's like the input is not focused. Because there we go, we got it here. I mean, like in each individual, or I mean, there's the ad screen, right? I mean, here's one of the table rows. Here's the like the other one. You mean in like different files? So I can test out the, yeah, if I change the amount, then the note is gonna be changed as well. I understand. Let's break it up more. What you mean? What if I set the max, like set max height to the text actually? No, it's there. Damn it, okay. Background, color that red. Okay. Still not like as tall as it can be, right? It's still not as tall as it can be. And it's like at the center. At the center of the table row as well. Oh man. I'm sleepy. All right. Can't go this way. Obviously. So what do we do? What do we do? This doesn't have like a padding or something like that. Shouldn't have. Let's see. Yeah, like check it out. What are you doing there? All right, let's see. User. See that? Oh, but check out like this. Check out this element right here. It still has like the elements on top. I don't know. I have no idea what this is. This may be the. Wait, is this like the this box right here? Where's the modifier? No. Doesn't accept the modifier. All right, then the container color is gonna be green, and let's go again and see it. Yeah, so the decorative box, the decoration box, that's, I think that's the, yeah, like check it out. It's going more than it should be. Like the height of the decoration box is like too big. That's the issue. This guy right here. Right? And we have this row inside. Then we have that. Wait, why am I starting it? You can see it here. Let's see. There's our row, right? But check out the the decoration box. It is way too big to actually be here. Maybe it's gonna work for the nodes, right? But it's not gonna work for the amount. As you can see, it even goes up a bit more. There's the it is the one. It is the one. Okay, that's not cool. Sporting shape, single content padding. Vertical is 0, you know. Should I do like minus freaking 30? We can't do that. Damn, guys, what are you doing? Like, what is content padding? Without label padding, with label padding. Start, top, and bottom. Try getting with rid of the, you mean like don't add it at all? No. Padding values. Yeah, it actually didn't do anything. We can't have a modifier. Container. There's like a container thing. What is that? Hi Technobyte, what's the issue? Like, check out the green box is actually the decoration box that we get from the default text fields, and we're trying to like slim it down. I don't know why is it this tall. This was like the purpose why we went to create our own unstyled text field, because like the default one is like way too tall. We don't want it to be that tall. So we created an unstyled text fields and we use the basic text field, right? So we don't have any styling, and we applied this type of styling. But yeah, the decoration box now is messing with us. Let's see. Transparent. Bring these, you know, the colors back. So there we go. You know, this pretty much should look, the amount row should look like the recurrence row pretty much. We want that 0 and the leave some nodes that we can see here. Sorry, there we go. You know, the leave some nodes, and the 0 should be like at the vertical center, but the decoration box is like way too tall to be here, and there's like no way that we can make it smaller. And this happens when we update it to 1.1.0 alpha 4. The where are we? Yeah, the material 3.1.1.0 alpha 4, and we have to do that because in a different screen we need to use, where are we now? Categories. Swipe to dismiss. And the swipe to dismiss component is introduced to the alpha 4. And now we are on a crossroads. You said you went to an unstyled text because you couldn't change the height of it. Yeah. because the ordinary text field, that was like you know, the text defaults. You know what? This, hold on, is there like a basic text field defaults? No, right? Yeah. We couldn't. There's like a min thing. Let's try it out. You know, let's try it out. But I couldn't actually manage to change it. I'm gonna zoom out a bit. All right, let's go back. Let's go down to the add. There's the unstyled text field, right? If I just use the ordinary text field that we get from, what is it that, there we go. Yeah, the text field. Oh, placeholder. What else is, that? No value then? Damn it. All right. Text field. This is the name, right? Text field. Then we got a text field. What shall we provide? This one, value. Is there a placeholder? There is a placeholder. Yeah. I also have a placeholder, but now text forgot. Maybe there's like no array. Yeah, the arrangement. I was like, okay, cool. All right, let's see this. Here's the ordinary one, right? And let's see. I wanna remove the backgrounds. They're like colors. Yeah, text field colors. Wait a minute. We got the row now. Maybe that makes it, because this is like 30 dp. We didn't have the row. Let's see. Because we were able to get the categories, get the colors done. Text color. What's up with this? See, again, like what's going on? Like why is this happening? Is there a different way to text field colors? Damn it. Okay. This is the... All right, there we go. Okay. Background? No. Content, container, container, color that transparent. And that's gonna get rid of the light gray background. There we go. Now we also want the unfocused indicator. And it's gonna get rid of the line down there. There we go. Now if we click on this, we're gonna see there's a blue line, so that is like the focused indicator color that's transparent. So we got rid of all of the colors that we don't want to see, right? And what else? I guess I should just like not use the unstyled text, but like yeah, okay. I'm gonna try to run this in this emulator. This works. I'll definitely pull this into a composable transparent text field. Yeah, I know. So we don't have to like... Okay. That's weird because now we got not. Oh, wait a minute. No. Text color that white. We always know, you know, this text gonna be, it's gonna be white, but we don't even get the placeholder now. We got nothing basically. Right? There even like there's the outlined text field to like make it even more styled. Yeah, there you go. Nothing's happening. I don't know why, but nothing's happening. I'm gonna pull this out of the row because we didn't have the row previously. Reload. Okay, so the placeholder is the only thing now. But let's see. Yeah, but that's the issue, right? You see how tall it is? See how tall it is, and you think, let's see, I'm just gonna remove all of this. And you say we can like make this size smaller, right? The height. The padding is what makes it so big, because if I do like height of like 40 dp, you'll see what happens. The value gets like cut right there in the middle. There we go. You see the part of the 0, just like the top part. That's the issue. Like I can do 45 as well, and you'll see the 0 coming back to life, because it's not just the height, it's like the padding as well. There's a huge padding above and below the actual inputs. So if we do change the color here to red, yeah, I mean, I know, there we go, you see that? So it's like the whole point is there. But if I do 60 here, we're all gonna leave happily ever after. But check out the size of the row. It's still not like centered. See that? Yeah. Check out the spacing at the top. There's a lot more at the bottom. The padding of the row doesn't have a padding here. The row doesn't have a padding on you know, the row itself basically. This is just the text field. There's like it's one up, maybe because we have like an underscore, like the indicator. So yeah, that's why I went with the basic text field, because I felt like we could play more with the padding and the size and everything, because we can override it. But no, I was wrong. So that's where we are right now. That's the reason why the unstyled text field exists, because of the stupid padding that we have and we can't really change. And now we have this issue, which is also interesting. Yeah. Yeah, when it's not focused, it's even like taller. When we focus on it, something happens. That might be adding extra height. Yeah, but what? I can't, like, I can't see that. Can't find it. Can't see where, you know, where we're going wrong and adding extra padding, because I don't actually. There's the inner text field. That's it. You know, I can provide it my own, but still, why do that? You know, this should be like enough. What's the visual transformation? What do we have there? Set to none. Transform text. And it's only none, okay. It is, yeah. I mean, it's like, why does it even happen, you know? Why does it even happen? This should not be happening. Yeah, I'm gonna like push and have this here. You know what? Yeah, let's like not waste more time on it. We were supposed to work on the swipeable stuff, you know? Let's like, I'm just gonna like push this and see what do we have. I'm gonna do work in progress, categories, screen, swipe to dismiss. All right. If you want to check it out, it should be up in the repo in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Cool. So yeah, you know what? Let's continue working on this thing right here. First, I have no idea why all of these swipe. They should not all swipe, but that's probably the states, right? The swipeable state is actually carrying all of them there. So we need separate state for every item, right? So what if I move the state here? Is this going to be like creating separate states for all of these or not? Yep, that works. That's beautiful. Now we got the background, right? And I believe what we should do, like, check this out. We should do a row, right? Immediately background color that red so we can debug it like people. I'm gonna do fill max width, not height. That all right, then just go with the flow. Fill max height and also fill max width as well. And I would like to also do vertical scroll. No. Oh, it was okay. It's a property. Vertical alignment. Right, so we want to do center vertically. There we go. And then inside, I'm going to add the what up text, and we should see it. Okay, we should see it. I think I read somewhere that you need to have an ID with every item so it knows. Yeah, good idea. It's like a key in React, right? So there's the item and ID. Where do should we do that? Should we do it here? How do we add the ID? Or should we like add it here somewhere, like in every category? Because there is an ID in the category, I believe. No, there is no ID. All right, but let's see if we got the swipe right. Boom, there we go. You see that? This is still, damn it. All right. Oh, okay, vertical. Damn it. All right, I got it. I got it. We should do. This is the dismiss, not this one. Here we go. Vertical alignment. We should do horizontal arrangement, and that should be the end, so we can see the what up on the right side. And this allows us to add like an icon button. See that? An icon button, and we can just like click it, delete it, and that's it. It's not gonna have the cool animation probably, but we can do that here. Okay, icon button. I have no idea how we're gonna handle that. Probably VM and then icons around that. Trash. Delete. Beautiful. Okay, let's see. Okay, still what up? Yeah, I forgot to reload it. There we go. You see that? So we can like click on this and make it go away. But we should play with the values here. With all of these, like initial value, I don't care. It's closed. Confirm value change. I don't even know what that is, but there's like positional threshold, and I believe we can play with that so we don't allow it to like escape, you know. Dismiss threshold, background, dismiss content. Okay. Dismiss threshold, what was that? So there's like alts, okay. Positional threshold. The positional threshold to be used when calculating the target state while a swipe is in progress and when settling after the swipe ends. This is the distance from the start of a transition. It will be depending on the direction, added or subtracted from to the original offset. It should always be a positive value. Honestly, no clue. This is a... gets like a float and we want to return a float. Density that floats. Nothing happened. So I guess we only have one value. Oh, I got it. So this right here, I just want to like return to F. I'm like, wait, what? Oh, we don't need the... But I wanna log out the float. Console log. What was the print? Damn. Print to console. I forgot how to print. Log the log. Okay. Debug, for example. Damn. Okay. So I could technically return, just return like float. And that means it's never gonna be like dismissible or swipeable, I guess. Yeah, you see? Oh, well, it actually is, yeah. All right, let's see if we can like swipe it out of the screen now. Well, let me check. All good. No, it's always. See that if I like do bam, it's always there. But we don't want we want it to be there. So this is not working out. The swipe to dismiss type of thing, because it doesn't allow us, like it doesn't give us any room to set, like you can't, you know, like you can't move further than this, right? Or let's see what we get now. Because I was thinking, like, what if we don't want to make an action, but just to like do this basically? Yeah, so we can do this. So the value is basically dismissed to start, right? If this is the value, if this is the value, what's up with this? Cannot be dismissed. Okay. Yeah, just like delete it. VM dot delete. We don't have it. Like, let's open it. Let's create a new hide, create category, and we also need a delete, right? Right? Or we can like pass the whole category for that matter. Now it's used. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what we get. Okay, so deleting hobbies, but I was like, what the hell? Let's try it again. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. We can do float, I don't know, divided by like 6. So like 1/6 of, but yeah. Times 5, I guess. Because we want... Like it's going to be somewhere here. Yeah, but I want it on the other side. So I want the users to continue, or like, I don't know, half of it or a third of it. Let's do a third of it. That's better. Instead of going on the other way, we can just do like divided by 3. So the actual, you know, point where the deletion happens is like around here. So let's see. This should not trigger that. Good. This, I guess, should. No? A bit more. This definitely should. There we go. Okay, so that's the idea. So when we do that, deleting subscriptions, right? Let's delete hobbies. Deleting hobbies. So let's delete takeout. Beautiful. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do, right? We are going to delete that thing. So let's find the index first, I guess. We can do UI state dot value, I guess, dot categories dot index of category. So we got the index of right there. Let's see. Kotlin remove item from list. Categories. Let's see. Last add size. Index binary search count min max sum. Replace remove at beautiful. All right, so new list equals UI state with capital S value categories remove at. So all right, so this is going to return, but it is mutable, right? It is mutable. Okay. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do UI state update. We're gonna grab the current state because we need it, and we're gonna do current state dot copy categories equals a list of the current state dot categories, but we'll do, oh damn it, no. Okay, we have to do it here, I guess. New lists equals a list of no. Kotlin empty list, empty mutable list. Immutable list of category, and that's it. So new list, add all, UI states, value categories, new list, remove ads, index, and we have new lists here then, right? Yeah. And it's gonna update it. Okay, let's see. Let's see if our delete actually works. It does, but like, check it out. Maybe this is the key now. Maybe this is the key thing. Oh, typo. Damn it. Swipeable. All right, let's see. Jetpack compose lists item key. By default, each item state is keyed against the position of the item in the list. All right. Okay. So, okay, we got index, so we can do the key here. Yes. Key equals, what was the type again? Integer, index, and the category, and we should return. All right, cool. So we got index and we got category, and we should return any. So we can do I don't know, category dot name, because that's like unique enough. Let's see now, because you see this, we've deleted the second, but because of the key, let's see, subscriptions. So when we delete subscriptions, takeout should not be red. Okay. Whew. But it happens too fast. See that? Damn. Too fast. You don't want it too fast. That is looking awful. Awful. I don't understand. What is this? Is this like a package now, or it's a tutorial, I guess? Animated content. What is that? Is that like a way to animate content when they appear or disappear, or like something like that? Disappearance, animated visibility. You know what? Maybe we should use this. So, because in our case, when we actually delete an item, the item disappears, and we want to animate the, you know. Okay. Maybe it's gonna be interesting. Visible, all right. So here's a swipeable state. What we want to do is render the dismiss content, or the whole thing. I guess the whole thing. Animated visibility. Okay. So we'll wrap the swipe to dismiss like this. And we have it. Is it visible? I believe it is always visible, right? Then we have the enter visibility. And then we have the exits. Slide out vertically, shrink. All right, let's try it out and we'll see. Okay. Is it gonna work? I don't know. Nothing happened. Damn it. Why? Mm-hmm. So we can do that as well, right? So what if I move this out of the items? Can we do that? Probably not, no. It's not gonna have like a... So the whole column then. Okay, let's wrap the whole column. And we can define... No. Damn it. Okay, let me just roll back. Damn, I hate... Hey, Colin, what's up? Freaking hate moving things like this. Where are you now? This. Alright. You should go away. You should go here. Format yourself. Lazy column. Like, don't bother. Okay. Here's one of the closing ones because I'm going to be adding one here. And this should be good. And it is good. Okay, cool. All right, let's see. Yeah. I mean, we took a little detour to fix the what was the name? The unstyled text field, but we couldn't. There's something else going on there. And now we're adding an animated visibility so when we swipe the the category out of the view, I want it to like shrink in size or something like that. We'll see. Okay, so here is the dismiss content, the background. I want all of it. Like I want the like all of it. Okay, I want to add the modifier in this case. Animate, enter, exit. Animate, enter, exit. Beautiful. And we are interested in the exit transition. And there's gonna be like slide out horizontally. Let's do that. Okay. Let's do that. Check Discord. Let's see. All right. Compose UI. Batman. No, we kind of like we're pretty much there. We'll see. Let me show you. I need to run it anyway. So what I was trying to do is like add the exit animation to the whole swipeable thing. Let's see. Damn it. All right, I give up. I give up. This is terrible. Might as well we'll just use the socket swipe and that's it. So what's up with this? Like, there's the icon as well. I like it. It's a background on swipes, news, swipeable actions box. Do not dismiss their compose. Yeah, we were trying to do that. Damn it. And how do we do that then? The swipeable okay, swipeable content. This is just an animation box. Cool. You know what? We're doing that. Okay. We are doing that. We are going back. Not the alpha. Definitely not the alpha version. So 101. Ditch the alpha. We're going back. We're not using the swipeable. Should we use that though? Is this like... Let's see. No. Okay. We're doing that. We're going back to the stable. So our We don't have that thing. There we go. You see that? Cool. Now we have the dismiss content, right? And the dismiss content, where is it? Start action, end action, swipeable content goes here. Yeah, swipeable actions box. Beautiful. Swipeable actions box. And the dismiss content is actually what we want to be able to swipe. All of the, you know, the rest of the stuff, you just like get lost. And then the content is gonna be the, where is it? Oh yeah, swipeable state. Gone with the wind. And now we got the start actions and end actions, right? So we got the end actions, a list of, and we want to do swipe action, icon, background, and swipe. So icon is going to be icons dot rounded dot delete. Background is going to be, do we have the red color? Let's check our theme. Theme KT. Yeah, destructive. Yeah, let's use that one. Destructive. And we also have the on swipe, which is going to be, what do we get? We get the index or nothing. Damn it, what is on swipe? What's the type of on swipe? God damn it. Nothing. All right, then we want to do vm.delete category, and I'll just pass category. And swipe action, where's that coming from? Oh. This is like a painter resource, and I'm gonna need to provide something else then. It should return a painter. Okay. All right, so Jetpack compose, painter resource, I guess. But I don't need r dot something. I just wanna. Because this is the, yeah. We don't have the icon there, right? We. Damn it, okay. We don't have R here, I guess. Because we were in a. Damn it, drawable. Yeah, we're not in a what you say, in a freaking activity. We are in a composable. We don't have R. So Jetpack compose, create painter resource. Like we just want to create a custom painter, I guess. No way, I'm not doing this. No. Damn it. Yeah. This returns a vector. No way, man. No, I'm not gonna let this, like, the icon itself prevent us from using this package. I mean, it's cool and all, appreciated, but what if I want to use it? Like, I can't access R here, right? We are in a R, like, in like, which is R? What is R? R dot drawable dot nothing, right? Let's see, painter, jetpack, compose painter, resource into composable. Yeah, you see that? We're using this, but this does not return a painter resource. Should I just do that instead? No? No freaking way. Why are you doing this, man? Why are you doing this? What the hell is like the painter resource? Just like get a, I don't know, like a vector and allow me to reach the web, you know, the vector in any way I am capable of. I don't know. See, we're like still loading the vector, but no, we have to like use a painter resource. Why the hell? I can't provide the ID here from the drawable res. I can't do that. I guess I can't do that from within here, you know. We're not in this context now. Image of a painter resource and this, yeah. I'm not sure, but it doesn't work on my end. Like, why does it not work? R dot drawable dot something else, but R just doesn't exist, you know. Runtime R, I don't know. Is it the runtime R? What R is it? Oh, actually, we got there. Okay, interesting. Another package. Yeah, but wait a minute. There's something else. So maybe it's like the what you say, the import was like, I don't know. Let's go with uploads. I just want to see it, you know. Just want to see how it looks like, and if it works the way we want it to work. Okay, decent. And now bam. We're gonna need the icon now, but it's still like the, you know, it's still messing up. We are gonna use this because the other result was like terrible. We don't want to use that. But there's no like animation or something. Like, you know what? I don't care. I don't care. It's stupid because, you know, we're in the in that motion of swiping, you know, to delete the category, but we can't really close it. You know, the actual motion is like interrupted. It is deleted. You did what you were supposed to do, but it just feels like So, you know. So here's the icons. All right, let's go fonts.google and try to search for the icons. And let's search for Thrash. Thrash. There we go. Delete forever. It is forever, yeah, but I'm just gonna delete it. Okay. Yeah. So let's. I'm going to open this. Definitely not in Xcode, just in TextEdit, I guess. Okay. So we need something else. New drawable. And we're gonna do just trash. Or just delete. Let's do it, delete one. Wait, now these are 24 by 24. Damn it. Copy it and like fucking paste it and that's it. There we go. Delete XML. I'm gonna like edit the code inside. Okay. There we go. So 24. We're talking about 24. Okay, but our SVG is not really 24. We need to download a different one. So 24, 24, 20. There we go. Nice. Okay, cool. There's the icon. Delete, please. Oh man, look at the icon. You know what? I actually like... Hold on. I actually like the 48 pixels. I'm going to try and use the 48 pixel one. Let's see how it looks like, you know? Let's see how it looks like. Maybe it's too big, I don't know. Because this one is definitely too small. Makes no change. So this is like even smaller than... Right? Okay, then let's go back to the 24. At least we can use it in like a different place. Okay. If people don't realize that, you know, that's the delete, then yeah. There we go. By the way, yeah, we can delete categories, we can create them. Pumpkins, there we go. We got the category for pumpkins. Now we're gonna delete it. And yeah, I guess that's what we've done today. First, we messed up the you know, the inputs. No, first we actually got rid of the bottom bar when we are here, so we can have a better, you know, more space. And this works. It's fine. I actually like it, prefer it. Then we messed up these because we updated to the alpha 110 alpha, and we pretty much spent the whole time there, but we didn't really need to spend it there. We were like figuring things out, but it's cool. For animation on the list, yeah, I'll check it out, but let's see. Okay. Is there like a fade out effect or something? Because everything looks the same. Okay, slide in. Animate item placement. Yeah, let's try it out. I mean, it's a lazy column, right? Lazy column indeed. So this is the action box. Modifier. Animate. Item placement. And that's it, right? There's, you know, some animation. It's okay. Sample action box. Oh, you know what? Hold on a second. What if we remove the background of the lazy column? What's gonna happen there? Yeah. I know. I mean, I was like, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, something's... I mean, it's better because we have some movements. Maybe we can like... Yeah, it is better. Maybe we can like do some stuff. Animation spec tween, duration, easing. It's all cool. Is there anything else? No. Okay. We'll keep it like this. But now the divider, let's like figure out the divider now, because you see now the divider leaves these dark lines. Yeah. Flutter is a totally different story. Let's add a row in that case. And we can use the padding here, that's okay. But elevated backgrounds. One density pixels. Okay, so now I should be able to like fill the backgrounds. Yeah, all good. Okay, that's decent. Surface, I don't know. It will. I mean, I still have to change the background as well. All right. I guess that's it for today. Plus, it's like 11 o'clock. Damn it. Yeah, super tired. All right, so let me push this. What do we got? Reverting back to stable version using a package for swiping plus a bit of animation when deleting categories. Okay, let's actually do that. Get the code up. There we go. Okay. Whew. Yeah. Use packages. If there is a package, use it. Don't try to, don't try to invent anything. If it's invented, go ahead and use it. But yeah, I thought it was gonna be simple. Then we got into the alpha thing. I believe that, that did more damage than good. But yeah, thanks Kalian for sending me the swipeable package. That really, it worked. It's decent. It's not the in the exact way that I like it, but still, it's much better than what we could have achieved using the alpha version. because then the other, other part of the app broke. So and that was not cool. But yeah, thank you so much for being here, everyone. Thanks for watching, and yeah, I'm gonna see you all next week. I still haven't added, set up the schedules for next week. I'm gonna check my calendar. I'll see, I'll see what slots we can use. But we can use the later ones if you prefer, like something like today. Yeah, let me know. Okay. In the meantime, take care. Have a great weekend. I'm gonna see you all on Tuesday. Okay. Ciao, ciao.